Hey everyone, this is Kirk here again at OptionAlpha.com, where we show you how to make smarter trades. In tonight's video, I want to go over the two new opening trades that we had today on December 3rd. Now again, all of this is always posted live to the website so you guys can see exactly what we're doing, both the side, the effect, the quantity, the expiration date, the whole, everything's here for you guys. So let's go over first the Oracle trade that we made. Again, this is a credit spread trade that we're entering, so we're net selling options. We're taking in a net credit of about 30 cents on each of these 4 contracts that we sold in total. Now with Oracle, the reason that we got into this trade is because we saw a nice pop in implied volatility today as the stock has started to move down. So Oracle had a big down day. It was down about 2.5%. And implied volatility is now above that 50th percentile. That's what we always like to see as kind of our guideline or guidepost for how we trade and start to sell options. Directionally, it really doesn't matter which way you go. You could sell a put spread below the market if you were bullish and think that the stock may turn back around. We're just thinking that maybe, Oracle might continue to make, a bigger move and a downtrend move with the rest of the market. And so for that reason, we're just playing it a little bit directionally bearish. And so you can see here that we've definitely tagged this outlook here as bearish. With implied volatility in the 53rd percentile and rank, we get about a 78% chance of success on this trade. So it's a very high probability trade. And of course, you can make this in any type of account that you have. The other trade that we got into today is a big, nice iron condor in Chipotle. This is actually a trade that we've tried to get into a couple times here and there over the last week or so, and just finally got something filled today after the markets kind of took a little nosedive after Janet Yellen's comments. So we got into this nice wide iron condor, took in $110 credit on the entire iron condor. Again, implied volatility is around the same 52nd percentile. Because we're doing the iron condor strategy, we're completely neutral in outlook. I think generally that CMG, which is Chipotle, is a little crazy right now. It seems like it's a really touchy stock. It's had kind of really weird big moves. And so I wanted to do everything as neutral as possible with this stock. I don't have any hunch. There's no indicator that I'm looking at. I just want to do it as neutral as possible and just try to make it a high probability trade. So again, what we ended up doing is selling the 620, 625 call credit spread and the 495, 490 put credit spread. Again, that totals up to that 110 credit that we had. We placed each of our short strike legs basically at the 15% probability of being in the money. And that's what gets us basically our total likelihood of success around 70%. So you can see that short strike on the call side, 495, it's got about a 15% chance of the stock being below that level. And then on the top side, you can see our short strike is again around that same 15% chance of being above 620. So we get a really nice wide iron condor here in Chipotle. Here's basically 620, and then 495 is down here below, kind of off the chart. So a lot of room for the stock to move, and this is basically our big profit window on this iron condor. It's completely risk defined, which means that you can make this trade in any type of account, whether you're trading an IRA or a regular margin account or maybe a Roth account. So this is a great, easy trade to make, and definitely something great if you're new and joining our service recently to get started with. So as always, hope you guys enjoy these videos. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. Again, if you're watching this video somewhere else out there online or on YouTube, you just have to understand that you're actually seeing this video about 20 to 30 days after it's sent out to our members. So if you want real-time alerts and a video that goes along with those alerts, like the one we just did tonight, you have to sign up for a membership at OptionAlpha.com. Until next time, happy trading.